I am in Goa for a month and I'm going to vlog daily. I've made a lot of sort of videos, travel videos and other kinds, but I've never vlogged that too regularly and daily. So I'm just going to vlog my life in Goa for 30 days. I reached Goa in the morning around 11 and I got down at Pernem station. Now Pernem is the first stop of Goa. Not many trains stop over here. Got out of the station, gone to the taxi, and yeah, the ride was smooth, good. Climate is okay. It's not raining a lot, and it's not even sunny. Let me just give you a room tour, and then we'll talk about the cost. So this is the house which I've rented. That's Mangalorean tiles. So yeah, it's sort of a rural area, and that is what you get. You have a cupboard over here for all your clothes. I have to unpack. Here you have a table with 2 chairs, basic setup. There's a Wi-Fi for us and a double bed with blanket. And this is the kitchen. You have a full door fridge, and then you have a small gas. They have changed it. Earlier it was induction cooker and now it is gas. So induction cooker I loved. I don't know why they changed it. You have a small gas cylinder over here. Here you have the pans and plates and things. Cooker, small vessel, and here you have the glasses, plates, everything. So this is from last time. I've been here for 2 weeks in June. So few of the things I already have. I don't need to buy, which is good. A short basin over here, and then here you have the bathroom which comes with a geyser. Normal bathroom, spacious, no, can't say spacious. And here you have the balcony of sorts. It's usually open, but they have put this green thing to stop water from coming, because what happens is it gets very windy over here, and then a lot of water comes in. So that is the reason they have put it around. But yeah, this is one side of the view, and over here you have the mountain. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's a mountain over there, the middle one. That's the room tour. Here you have a jackfruit tree. It's pretty calm. There's a house over here and nothing else. And it's pretty long. You literally have to walk for like 20 feet, 24 feet, 25 feet to reach here. Let's count. So this is the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is the view. Here right in front you have the temple of Ravalnath. That's the road which goes towards main Arambol. And yep. So that's pretty much the house I'll be staying in for 30 days. A month's rent for this whole house which I just showed is 10,000 rupees, and it is not a fixed rate. This is technically the off season of Goa. Somewhere between June mid to September mid is the purest off season. In case you're wondering what I have over here, I met with an accident a month ago and I'm just healing. I fell on my right side. So this part I still can't do a lot of heavy lifting or anything heavy with my right side. So I'm a little skeptical about riding scooter for a long time. Let's just get towards my unpacking stuff. Okay, so this is a diary to practice something. The colors, this is for mandala. I'm going to be doing mandala painting. Dry fruits. This is a jacket which will be handy since it's not actually rainproof, waterproof, but yeah, it'll help me. Book, I am almost done reading this. I'm right over here. So yeah, I have like 110, 120 pages left. Then you have the tripod, monopod. This is for shooting. Then you have the another book I need to read. This is fiction. I usually read a non-fiction and then a fiction. So yeah, it's from the author of The Notebook. Yeah, that's what I need right now. It's comb and stuff. This is a bag which you will need for smaller trips when you walk around or something. This side is all clothes, so not much point showing it. So yeah, I've gotten a munda or lungi which I will be wearing. I usually wear lungi in Goa, and a kurta to go with that. So yeah, that's the clothes, that's the entire stuff. Then in the bag we have the laptop and everything, and here is a violin which I really want to learn to play in 30 days. The cupboard is all set. Now in the kitchen, if you see, all these utensils and glasses and plates are not clean. It's a little just kept for a long time, so I need to wash all of this thing. That's next. I just went to the shop. It's hardly 200 meters from here. It's sort of a mini supermarket and you get a lot of things over there. So yeah, I have shopped and now I'm back home. So first and foremost we have the Mortein thing, which is necessary because there are a lot of mosquitoes here. Then this is Sukka Mirchi, if that is the right word. Next is oil, very much necessary. If you can buy it in a plastic bottle is best because it's easy to store and use. Then the basic human diet. I think I've bought a lot of this. 1 kilo of dal, and the dal ke saath what you have? Chawal, rai again for dal, tadka and all. This is for the toilet. I always like to have some freshener. Toothpaste. Then the basic haldi powder, mirchi powder. And obviously the thing which we need the most, salt. And then I have eggs in here, but I don't know if it's broken. I heard some noise. It's 12 eggs. Today is 10th of August. Rent 10,000 rupees. Taxi from Pedne to this place is 700 rupees, and general stuff that I brought is 640 rupees. So the total now stands at 11,340, 11,340 rupees. My budget is 20,000 and we already reached 11,340. So out of 20,000 I've already spent 11,340, which gives me 8,500 something more. So that's the entire amount I have to complete my month stay in Goa. Two things which I forgot is soap to take bath and surf for washing clothes. Since most of the shops, not most, there are only 3 shops around, and all the shops close by 2:30. I can't go back and get them, so I have to wait till 4:30 till they open, and then I'll take a bath.
Jesse, but yesterday was too much. Yesterday, like he said, Moscow Pao kha lo. Oh my god. Moscow like.
It's almost 5 p.m. and I'm still to take bath. The problem is that I can't go outside because it's raining. I need to get soap and the surf to wash my clothes, but I can't go out because I forgot to bring my chhata. That's one thing which you need in the rainy season, and I forgot. So raining and raining and raining. Finally, the rain has stopped and I can go and get my soup. This is a temple which I can see from my rented place. It's a big temple and beautiful. This is the artistically made boiled egg, which is hard from the outside. From one part it's soft. Same in this case. So that's it for today. I have to end the vlog. I don't know how long has this been. I'll only get to know when I sit and edit it. But I know that I have not talked much about Goa, which I will start doing from tomorrow, and it will be a little more interesting. Good night from my side.